Alright everybody, the time is 7:35 p.m. What happened? Yeah, so the time is 7:35 p.m. I'm actually heading to the White Town in Pondicherry just to check out the town and stuff, and probably have some food as well. So that's about it, and then we'll come back home. I mean, come back to the room. Home. Yeah, that sounds cool. Alright, let's go. So I actually looked for a cafe there because I want to have dinner. So I've put that location on my navigation. It's been so many years since I've been here. I need to lube my chain first, which is very important than anything else. So let's just try to find a place where I can get my chain lubed, because it's in a very bad condition right now and I didn't buy lube. How can I be so careless in terms of lube, man? I don't think I'm gonna wash all these, because I think it looks better this way till I reach my home, because it should look this way. That street is lit up. And I'm always stuck in traffic. This is the usual. Oh my god. What is this? If there's any way that I can find a motorcycle chain loop, then I'll be the happiest person right now. I don't think I have any luck on that matter. This is probably the French town, yeah. Yeah, look at these buildings, man. It's very old. I should be coming here during the daytime. Oh, you can't go there. Lake Cafe is closed. That's where I wanted to come. I wanted to go to the Lake Cafe, but I can't go there because it's closed. And I'm trying to look for another place. Oh, freaking hell. Police headquarters look so cool. Parking inga polama? Oh, look at my bike shit. Okay. Let's sit somewhere. Okay. I had food. That was good food, but it was a cool place to chill, and obviously I was alone, as you guys saw. Chain lube. Chain lube irka? Chain lube irka? Chain lube irka? Okay. As a mountain and hill and God's lover, I don't really get excited about coastal area. Take me to a mountain and I'm all up for it. Anytime, any day. If I go to a coastal area in a car, then that's a whole different story. Because then I would like to explore stuff. சரி. Good morning everybody, welcome back. We're just heading to a sunrise point. It is I think 9.9 kilometers away, so we're going to be putting our navigation as usually. Okay, we are going towards left today. Let's go. This hotel that I've booked is definitely in some kind of a remote area, and you guys saw how it looked yesterday. It's nice. I love roads like these. How far are we? 3.6 kilometers, not bad. Okay, I did wake up pretty late and I think I missed the sunrise, but I'm gonna get a part of it, not completely. I hope I get a part of it. Wow. Okay. Nice. Oh, we're very close to the beach actually. We're very close to the beach. Bro, this has been taking me through all these small roads, and I'm sure there's a bigger road somewhere that side. Alright, we finally make it to the main road. Feels good to have a main road. Ooh, I can see the beach properly now. That's what we need. Just look at that. That's actually a pretty nice view over there. Might as well stop over here, I guess. It's pretty cool, eh? Hold on. I really want to take a photo. Yeah, so usually I don't go to places like this. I do things when I'm not on lighting gear, and that's actually pretty cool. Oh, I love this. Trying to find a place to eat. Okay, we had been here yesterday. This place is kind of like a market where everything is going on. ஒரு பிளேட் இட்லி அங்கே தான். Just roaming around the streets of Pondicherry. I just had breakfast. It was good, it was light, and it was good, man. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of barricades over here. So many barricades.